Hello students, today we are discuss about the remaining part of preparation of ketones. The second method, that is dehydrogenation of alcohols. We are preparing ketones from alcohols by dehydrogenation of alcohols. That means removal of hydrogen atom. Removal of hydrogen atom is also known as oxidation. Oxidation means it is addition of oxygen or a removal of hydrogen atoms. See here, ketones are prepared by passing the vapors of secondary alcohols over hot copper powder. That means ketones are prepared by passing secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols, when heated with copper, then we get a ketone. That is the general reaction. RCHR dash. That means these two alkyl groups are different. It is indicated by dash. OH, that is an alcohol. When heated with on oxidation, we get heated with copper. On oxidation, we get a ketone. How it is get? That is a removal of these two hydrogen atoms. A removal of the hydrogen atoms, we get an ketone. By removing these two hydrogen atoms, there is the formation of double bond between oxygen and carbon atom, so we get a ketone. For example, that is isopropyl alcohol. Iso because the hydroxyl group is attached to the second carbon atom in that case, so it is known as isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol, when heated with copper on oxidation, that is the removal of these two hydrogen atoms, we get a ketone as like that, CH3CO CH3. The name of that compound is acetone. The next preparation method, by ozonolysis. By ozonolysis, that is ozone O3. Addition of O3 is known as ozonolysis. By ozonolysis of a 1,2-dimethylpropene. Ozonolysis of 1,2-dimethylpropene produces both ketone and aldehyde, that is 2-propanol. It is a ketone, and ethanol, that is the aldehyde. What happens here? See here, there is one example, that is 1,2-dimethylpropene. The double bond between these two carbon atoms are broken down, and the addition of two oxygen atoms. One oxygen atom is addition on that carbon atom by bonding with double bond, and the second oxygen atom bonding with the second carbon atom bonded by double bond. We get two products as like that. One is here, that is CH3C CH3, CH3C CH3, addition of oxygen atom and bonded with double bonded, we get a ketone. That is name of that compound is propanol. And the second one is here, CH3, and there is one addition of one oxygen atom, then we get one oxygen, that is the name of that compound is ethanol. We get ethanol and 2-propanol, that is aldehyde and ketones, both in that reaction. The next preparation method, that is preparation of aliphatic ketones from acyl chloride. That is the preparation of ketone by acylation or by acyl chloride. See here, ketones are obtained from acyl chloride by reaction with dialkyl cadmium, that is R2CD. Dialkyl cadmium, which is prepared by treatment of cadmium chloride with Grignard reagent. How it is formed? That one is dialkyl cadmium. How it is formed? That is, formation of that compound is when calcium chloride reacted with Grignard reagent, we get R2CD. That dialkyl cadmium when react with acyl chloride, we get a ketone with byproduct cadmium chloride. It is a general reaction. See here, 2RCOCl, that is acyl chloride. It is known as acyl chloride. RCOCl, acyl chloride. The two molecules of RCOCl when treated with R2CD, we get a ketone, that is 2RCOR with byproduct CdCl2. What happens here? There is a replacement of that chlorine atom by these two alkyl groups. We get as like that. There is two molecules of RCOCl. For one molecule, one alkyl group. For another molecule, second alkyl group. That means we get 2RCOR. There is 2R because it is there is twice 2RCOR, and the two chlorine atoms combine with CD. There is the replacement of chlorine by R2 or R. We get two chlorine atoms, and these combine with that cadmium, we get CdCl2. See here, there is one example, 2CH3COCl, that is ethanoyl chloride, when treated with dimethyl cadmium, CH3 twice CD. There is the replacement of two chlorine atoms. Here is two chlorine atoms because there is twice. Twice means it contains two chlorine atoms. These two chlorine atoms are replaced by these two alkyl groups. Then the removed chlorine atom combined with that cadmium, we get CdCl2, and the alkyl group replacement by that Cl, we get a ketone, that is 2CH3COCH3. It is known as a ketone. The name of that ketone is propanone. It is an aliphatic. There is no aromatic ring. Then after the second preparation in that is preparation of aromatic ketones. Preparation of aromatic ketones by acyl chloride or from acyl chloride. It is also known as Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. It is also known as Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. When benzene is heated with an acyl halide in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, it gives corresponding acyl benzene. See here, there is one example. When benzene treated with acetyl chloride, CH3COCl, in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 aluminum chloride, we get acetophenone. It is a aromatic ketone. Acetophenone, it is a aromatic ketone. Aromatic ketone is prepared by Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. How it is formed? See here. The benzene ring contains 6 hydrogen atoms. At the each carbon atom there is one hydrogen atom is present. That means it contains 6 carbon atoms. Hydrogen atoms. One hydrogen atom of that carbon atom is replaced by that group, that is CH3CO. The removed hydrogen atom is combined with that chlorine atom, we get a byproduct HCl. The remaining part, that is CH3CO, is replaced or bonded here directly to the carbon of benzene ring. Then we get acetophenone as like that. There is the preparation methods, that is aliphatic and aromatic ketones. There is also one preparation method that will be continued in a next video. Thank you.